Hello, today we created a JavaScript program that checks whether three numbers are in strict or in soft increasing order. Let's dive in. Our goal is to identify if a sequence of numbers increases strictly, in which each number is greater than the last, or softly, where repetition is allowed but the last number is still the highest. Here's a number order function. It takes three numbers as parameters and checks for strict or soft mode based on their order. The function first checks if the sequence is strictly increasing. If not, it checks for soft mode, and if neither condition is satisfied, it returns undefined. In this example, each number is greater than the previous one, so the function returns strict mode. Here, the last number, 31, is greater than the previous one, 22, allowing for soft mode with a repeating value. The function returns soft mode. In this example, the numbers do not increase in any form, so the function returns undefined. Here's the ES6 version of this function, using arrow functions syntax, providing a concise format while keeping this logic the same. In summary, the number order function is versatile for assessing sequences, making it easier to categorize number sets into strict, soft, or undefined modes. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. See you in the next one.